If you want to lock apps with Fingerprint on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we need to go to Settings. Scroll down in the Settings until you find Apps. Once you are in Apps, here you will find App Lock, so select this option and then press Turn On. Now we need to create a password. I know that you want to use Fingerprint, but we need to also have a backup just like we have with the screen lock of our phone. If you don't want to use a dot, then you can also press Change Password and choose anything else. So let me set up a password and then draw again in this case, and let's go next. If you see this information that you can sign into the Xiaomi account, then of course you can do that, or also you can press Not Now if you don't want to be bothered with the Xiaomi account, and then after a couple of seconds you should be able to press Not Now over here. There we go. Now you have a couple of apps immediately selected that will be locked, but of course you can tap on them in order to exclude them. So I'm gonna tap on every single one of them, and then let's go to use App Lock. And now if you already have Fingerprint added to your phone, you will see the sensor over here, so you can use it in order to be able to use the fingerprint sensor to unlock apps that are locked. And you can also go to the top right corner in the App Lock over here in order to go to Settings. And here we have biometrics, including fingerprint unlock. So if you don't have fingerprint, but you just add it, or if you want to add, then of course you can tap on the switcher in order to turn it on, like this, and set it up eventually. And of course over here we have the list of our apps. We can tap on the switcher in order to lock the selected app. And that's pretty much it. Now if you try to open the locked app, by the way, if you see this information about Xiaomi account, you can also select Don't Ask again and press Cancel after that. And there we go. Here we can select to use the password, or we can just use our fingerprint in this case. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.